the whole world was going online.
Yeah.
And so working in the online space seemed to make total sense to us.
Yeah.
So about 18 months ago, I stumbled across a ad.
It was her.
Right?
Yeah.
I stumbled across an ad, and it seemed to be the solution, that it could be a solution to our dilemma. So I clicked, registered on this very webinar. And we looked, we listened, and we could see that the information that was given to us, we could connect with, and it looked like it would be a solution to our dilemma, right?
Joined up.
So we joined up, and it took us about 2.5 weeks to get through the training and get everything set up. And then about a month and a half later, we had our first sale. So?
Well, long story short was about 6 months later, we actually, our business was ramping up so well that we actually shut down the oil sands, which was a really good wage. We could see the potential and where this was going. We shut her down. We moved back to Cranbrook where our family was, and we absolutely packed our
suitcases
threw our business in our suitcase, went to Mexico because we like the beach. We don't like snow.
The cold weather.
And we the portability of this business, we literally can work it from anywhere in the world. So I mean, why not a beautiful beach? And that's what we did. Basically, our lifestyle now is we work and live in Mexico for half the year. And then we come back to Canada, and we've got the time. I mean, we're working about 4, maybe, depending on the day, hours a day, and we have time that we can spend quality time with our family and reconnect. I mean, we were so disconnected that we literally, I mean, all our grandkids are half grown up, and we weren't there. So it really changed everything for us.
Lives.
I mean, it's been a phenomenal journey.
Yes.
I just can't even. You guys are really on the right track. Stay with it, because this changed our life.
That's our story.
And we're